If you are in a relationship with someone Mexican, there is one cultural difference that will affect almost every part of your life. It's not the language, it's not the food, it's not even the traditions, it's family. In Mexico, family is not just parents and kids, it's a network that influences how often you see relatives, how decisions get made, how holidays work, how involved your in laws will be in your life. And if you don't understand this difference, you might misread what's happening around you. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways Mexican families work differently from what most Americans expect. And the last one is the reason many foreigners feel completely overwhelmed when they start dating someone from Mexico. If you grew up in the US, you probably learned something very early. Move out, be independent, build your life. In Mexico, the message is very different. The goal is not separation, the goal is connection. Family is not just emotional support, it's the center of daily life, and their difference changes everything. Family gatherings are bigger than expected. In many US households, family gatherings happen on holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, maybe birthdays. In Mexico, family gatherings happen all the time. Sunday lunch, random Tuesday dinner, a cousin visiting, and it rarely means just a few people. It often means cousins, aunts, uncles, grandparents, neighbors who are basically family. For many foreigners, this first situation is something like, why is everyone here? But in Mexico, the real question would be, why wouldn't they be? Second difference, family is the default support system. In the US, independence is often the goal. People move away, live in different states, build separate lives. In Mexico, family remains deeply interconnected. Need help moving? Family. Need childcare? Family. Need advice? Family. This isn't just emotional, it's practical. The extended family acts almost like a community infrastructure. Family participation is expected, and this is our next difference. This is where many foreigners feel confused because in Mexico, being part of the family isn't passive, it's active. You help cook, you stay late, you show up to birthdays, you visit grandparents. Participation signals respect and belonging. If you disappear too often, people may assume you don't want to be part of the family. Difference 4. Decisions involve the family. In highly individualistic cultures, decisions are personal. Where to live, career changes, relationships. In Mexico, family opinion often matters. Not because people lack independence, but because relationships carry weight. Your partner might consult their parents about moving cities, financial decisions, life plans. For Americans, this can feel intrusive. For Mexicans, this feels normal. Difference 5. When you marry someone Mexican, you marry the family. This is the cultural reality many foreigners don't see coming. A relationship in Mexico rarely exists in isolation. It becomes connected to parents, siblings, cousins, grandparents. Your partner's family will likely invite you, include you, ask about you, feed you constantly. because for them, relationships expand the family circle. And if they truly accept you, you stop being the partner, you become the family. So, understanding this difference changes how you experience Mexican culture. If you expect distance, you may feel overwhelmed. But if you understand the role of family, you realize something important. What might feel intense at first is actually a sign of something powerful. In Mexico, belonging doesn't happen slowly, it happens through family. And remember, if you want to take your Spanish to the Mexican level, you have the link in the description to book your first lesson. Nos vemos pronto.